Hello everyone, this is our major project. The title of our project is Text to Speech Converter for Blind People. Our batch number is B20. The main aim of our project is to extract information or text and convert them into the digital form and speech it accordingly. The components used in our project are this is Raspberry Pi Model 3. This is camera Wi-Fi module which is ESP32 cam. These are the connecting wires, and this is a power supply which is 5 volt. Now we will brief about the components. This is Raspberry Pi 3 board. Why we are using this Raspberry Pi? Because we can connect camera easily, and also it has its own operating system. It has memory of 4 GB RAM. These are the 4 USB ports. Here we are connecting the power supply. This is Ethernet port. This is HDMI cable port. There are 40 digital I/O pins which we are connecting to ESP32 cam. This is ESP32 cam. This is small size low power consumption camera module which has 16 pins. These 8 and these 8. There are 16 pins. It has power supply range of 5 volt. We will show the connection. First, the power supply is connected to Raspberry Pi's micro USB powered input. First, the Raspberry Pi's pin number 1 is connected to 5 volt pin of camera Wi-Fi module. And the pin number 6 of Raspberry Pi is connected to ground pin of camera Wi-Fi module. The physical address of the Wi-Fi module we will paste in the Chrome. After pasting, run it. This opens the text recognition Tesseract software which converts the text displayed under the camera to speech. So click on Get Still. It displays the text which is kept under the camera. So this is the text which is under the camera. We can change the quality of the camera brightness, contrast, resolution, and we can also rotate the image. It supports 102 languages. These are the various different languages which it supports. So now the text is English. We will select the language as English and click on text recognition.
All our dreams can I come true if we have the courage to pursue them.
So the English text is converted into the speech. Next we will try for the Hindi language. So we will place under the camera. And change the language as Hindi. After placing it, click on text recognition.
आज जो दर्द सह रहे हो, जीरो वो आपकी ताकत होगी.
So it converted the Hindi text into the speech. So this was all about our project. The main advantage of our project is it will help blind people to hear the text and they cannot be misused. Conclusion of our project is it converts the text to speech easily, which helps blind people, and also this is easy to set up. Thank you.